Decisions about your healthcare should be shaped by your personal needs, values and priorities, and you have every right to be involved in that process. But what does that actually look like? It means sitting down with your healthcare team, asking questions, exploring all the options that are available, and making decisions together. You can see it as a partnership. This process can be very powerful, as it allows for open and honest conversations between you and your healthcare team, which should ultimately equip you with all the information you need to decide on any treatment plans. This may include benefits, risks, and possible outcomes of all the different treatment options. It also means that you can make informed choices based not on just what's medically best, but also what's best for you overall, considering your life, your goals, and your preferences. This process empowers you and helps put you in control of your healthcare. We know that when people are actively involved in their care, they are more likely to feel confident in their treatment plan and follow through with it, which can help to make the treatment more effective. Research also shows that when patients are actively involved in their care, they experience greater satisfaction. And that's because you're not just being treated, you're being heard, understood, and respected.